Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Avison Young, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Avison Young, begin by visiting their official website. Locate the sign up or register option on the homepage. Click on that link to proceed. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Review the terms and conditions provided on the page. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Some locations may require additional information, so be prepared to fill out any extra fields. Once all fields are completed, click on the Submit button. You may receive a verification email shortly thereafter. Check your inbox and open the verification email from Avison Young. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Avison Young website. Log in using your email and the password you created. You are now registered and can access the features available to users. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.